Welcome back to Target to Table. This is Matt, and I'm going to show you MJ's Oatmeal on the Run. If you've been a follower of On Target Living, Oatmeal on the Run is a signature breakfast we teach. I'm going to put a little spin on it. So we're going to do half a cup of oatmeal. And then from here, we're going to add some diced apple. So I've already diced some apple, put it in here, and the key is keep it dry. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, roughly 1 tablespoon. And then a little bit of cinnamon. And I keep it dry because the key here is mixing it while it's dry so all the flavors kind of marry together before you put in the almond milk, or in this case, I'm going to use some cashew milk. So once that's mixed together, I'm going to add maybe a cup of cashew milk. And I like this milk, it's very clean, tastes good. You put in 1 cup, I put the top on it, I shake it up, I put it in the refrigerator, and it's ready to go in the morning. This is MJ's Oatmeal on the Run with peanut butter and apples and cinnamon. Amazing, easy to do, can do it for the whole week or the night before. Enjoy.